So I think it comes down to industries which are either very heavily regulated or where the chains, the data chains are broken or very heterogeneous. So two industries come to mind. One is financial services, of course. You see in every market, it is a very heavily regulated industry, and therefore, where there is an opportunity to embed regulation into the AI, I think the value of that AI offering becomes increasingly a lot more. So in financial services, we like the opportunity to differentiate on the basis of AI, provided you have taken cognizance of the regulations in that. So if you look at two of our investments in this space, from a SaaS stroke, both have been in financial services. One, of course, is Buna. The other is iTuring.ai. What is common to both of this is that, one, they understand the domain very well. So that is non-negotiable for us from a vertical standpoint. So we don't like to just look at wrapper solutions or horizontal this thing. But more importantly, you have to be compliant with regulations. There has to be auditability built in completely, traceability built in to satisfy the regulator. And to make sure that if you're going to be part of a check done by a regulator, by his risk team, you should be able to pass the test. So you need to have checks at every point, not just a robust data pipeline. So I think one point is financial services. Second is healthcare. You see that data is broken, be it at the payer level, be it the provider level, be it at the physician level, etc. And we see this potential for doing this in the US more than in India. Is there a scope to bring AI to sort of integrate everything and integrate data on one single exchange and make sure you're giving a 360-degree view to the employer who may be taking insurance on behalf of the employees? Because what you see today is something coming from the employer side, something coming from the payer side, something coming from the provider side, something coming from the clinical side, for instance. Everything is very broken and fragmented. So I think where you see messy data coming in, I think the potential for the AI to come there is quite good. So these are the two industries we like that way.